Hello, so before we begin, please like and subscribe to my channel and visit my other art channel, Shekainah Art, for more art tutorial videos. So today it's day 10 and we're going to be drawing a beehive. As you can remember, on day 1 we drew a bee, and so this one is kind of a pair for the bee. So let's start with this cross, the blue cross, do an oblong. So this is going to be in the red pen right now. So just draw the oblong like so, and you could also refer to the guide on the upper right corner. And then we're going to draw this ridges on the side, which is in a black pen. So I'm sketching it right now. It's like a flower kind of pattern. And then we're going to make some curved lines across it. That's for both sides. So I'm drawing the right side right now. So just connect the lines. So that's going to be our beehive. And then we're going to draw the branch. As you can see, there are 2 leaves in it. And we're going to draw a bee on the right side. So the bee is really easy. It's just a small oblong with 2 wings. And then we're going to draw some stripes on the bees. And then I'm shading the bees. And then we're going to draw the eyes. So just center it on the blue line, and then make this like half circle or semicircle, and it looks like the beehive is looking on the right, so shade the right part of the eye like so. So now we're gonna draw the little cove, like, or the entrance of the bee, and then shade it, and then we're gonna outline. So get your thicker marker and then start outlining the sketch that you've made. So it's really easy like this. Just do it. Just do all the lines, the line work, and then do the eyes, and we're gonna shade the entrance, and then we're gonna shade the eyes as well. So after outlining all of these, we're going to proceed to coloring the beehive. So I'm going to be using a tan, a lighter brown to color the beehive. So I'm swatching the colors that I want to do right now. I don't want too dark. I just want it a little bit lighter. So after you've done that, color the edges first and then fill into the middle. And then we're going to color the bee yellow and leave the wings just a blank, a white color. And then we're going to color the branch a darker brown, and we're going to color the leaves as well. I forgot to color the leaves, but you can color the leaves green. And then we're going to draw a very fine thin line at the bottom of the branch for a shading that is like below where the light won't reach. So it's like a darker shade of brown. We're also going to shade the bottom and the top of the ridges to show some definition, and it looks really nice to see that shading. And then that's our drawing for today. I hope you enjoyed that. I'll see you tomorrow, and have a blessed day.